Good morning, students. So next week you have lab MST for foundation of IoT lab. I will share the guidelines and marks distribution for this particular lab. How to prepare, what are different options. MST guidelines already shared with you on your different WhatsApp accounts. So for the lab MST and also for the final term exam for this particular lab, you have three options. You have to select either one of them. So first option is plan to perform any lab task. Any lab task means which mini projects or experiments we are performing in the lab that you can implement, but with the help of some other IoT platform. You don't have to use the UBDots and ESP32 FluidZinc. These softwares you cannot use. If you want to implement the same experiments or mini project that we are going to perform in the labs, that you can do, but you have to use a different IoT platform. You cannot use the same IoT platform or same hardware. Sensors can be same, but a microcontroller based device and the IoT platform should be different. So it is one way. Second way, write an article about implementation of IoT in any engineering domain or similar idea. So you have to write an article for implementation of Internet of Things, how it is useful in any engineering domain for any application specific area. For example, implementation of IoT in agriculture, implementation of IoT in global positioning system, implementation of IoT in any application you can implement. You have to think about the different areas where IoT is working. Okay, then you have to write the article. The minimum page length is 10 pages. So the main constraint in the article writing is the 15% plagiarism limit. Plagiarism means if you copy some data from any reference, maybe from book or from journal paper or maybe from internet. So if you copy the content, so it will give the plagiarism. Plagiarism means the same material you cannot copy. Okay, you have to understand the things and you have to write in your own words. Okay, you have to change the wording. Okay, the idea you can take, but then you have to write on your words. Okay, so plagiarism should not be there. Maximum allowable plagiarism is 15%, but you should try to below 10%. Okay, and the third option, which is the most desirable, it is the propose new project idea. Okay, for example, we are making 10 different type of mini projects in the lab. So you have to propose any new idea. You have many ideas that we discussed in the previous labs, so that you have to implement. In that case you can use the ESP32 or UBDots, but you have to implement some different idea. Okay, so for option number 1 and 3, so first thing is that you can choose any one option. Either you can implement the same task with different IoT platform, or you can write an article, or you can propose a new project idea. So any one option you can choose. Okay, you don't have to make three different things, but you have to select any one from these three. Okay, and most desirable and what I'm expecting from maximum is to make your own project. some different idea you will implement. Okay, because that will maximum increase your knowledge. If you are going with point number one, so these applications we are already implementing in the labs. Okay, then writing an article, it is okay, but plagiarism is a issue there. Okay, you have to work hard if you want to work for article. Then for the project idea, it is a good one because you have to first think about a unique idea, then you have to implement it. And I will 100% support you. We will see your sincere efforts. Okay, that how much you are exploring different books or different journal papers or web to get a new idea. Then how you are approaching to implement this idea. Okay, and the last, if in 10% cases if it happened that you are not able to get the output, then it hardly matters. Okay, we will see your efforts, that how you are working and what is your idea. Okay, so all efforts are countable. If in the last you are not able to get the final output, so that is not a issue. Okay, but you should try, and I am here, so we will guide you completely. And in starting, if you propose one idea but in between you think it will not work, you want to change the idea, so that you can also do. Okay, so these are three options, any one of them you can choose. Okay, you have to choose any one. Now next thing is how to approach in the lab MST. In the lab MST, that is also shared with you. In the lab you have to first, in the first session I will give you 40 minutes to make the document. Okay, what are these documents? uh, Wait, I will share with you. So students, in the lab MST, these documents will be visible to you on the blackboard. Okay, so it is the article based synopsis. If you are writing the article, you have to prepare this document and submit on blackboard within 40 minutes. So first thing is common, that you know, while making the worksheet, it is same, the name of group members, their UIDs, group number and branch. Okay. Then first, article problem statement. What is the name of your article? What is the title? You have to justify it in 3 to 4 lines. Small paragraph is required. Okay, write in the lines. Then structure of the article. Structure of article means, for example, if you are writing any article, what is the basic structure? First we have the title, then we have the abstract, then we have the introduction, then uh, implementation of particular hardware, what is the hardware requirement, what is software requirement, then what is the design. Okay, then applications, some specific thing you want to mention, for example any good result is there, it is used for this specific application, detail about this. Then in the last, conclusion and references. So these are different topics in any journal article that you have to mention. Here you mention only the headings. Okay, what is the topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4? In this way you have to mention their names only. That first you have the abstract, then introduction, then whatever IoT you want to implement, in which area it will be implemented. Okay, these different topics will be there. List of software and hardware used. Okay, uh, if you are discussing any application, IoT application in agriculture, so which type of softwares it will require, which type of hardware it will require, what is their specification. Deliverables means where it is used, and for article it is desirable that you publish this article in any conference or journal. Okay, otherwise at the last you can submit to me. Okay, so these are the deliverables that you have to mention in the MST. Okay, for MST only it is required. And second thing is the project based synopsis. In the project based, first thing is same, your group members details, then name of the project, what is the title of the project. Okay, small explanation about the title. Then key features or benefits. Key features means what is the circuitry, which are different basic blocks which are used in this project. Okay, then what are the advantages, what are the limitations or disadvantages, what are the different applications. Okay, list of softwares and hardwares, which type of software and hardware you will use. Deliverable means at the end you have to submit the hardware in the university when you join the university. Okay, and what is the total circuitry, okay, how it is useful. So that is the synopsis for the project. Okay, if you're going with point number one, that is implementing the same experiment that we are doing in the lab but with different IoT platform, so that is also same. Okay, so these two formats you will find on the blackboard at the day of your MST, and you have to prepare only one of them. Okay, depends on three features what you are making. Then last is the marks distribution. So for problem statement, 4 marks. What is your title and what is your title, name of project? You have to justify it. Then key features benefits 5 marks. Software or hardware used 1 mark. Deliverables 2 marks. Presentation of 8 marks. So total 20 marks are for MST, and it is the distribution. So as I shared one document with you on your WhatsApp groups, okay, they are mentioned in the first session. I will explain these things to you again if you have any query. Then in 40 minutes you have to prepare these two documents, synopsis, and in the next session every member will be in the main group and you have to give the presentation for maximum 5 minutes. Okay, group by group, you have to share the screen. Any one person from a group can share the screen. Then you have to explain your presentation. Okay, presentation means which are the points that I mentioned you in the synopsis, the same points you can include in the presentation with maximum 10 slides. Okay, and only one person will share the screen, and but all 4 or 5 members will be should be present at the time of presentation. So in between I can ask different members to explain some specific points. Okay, so that is the detail for lab MST and also for the end semester. For lab MST only synopsis you have to prepare and submit on Blackboard, but for final sem you have to complete the article or you have to complete the project, and that you have to submit in the university. And for hardware, because there is need of ESP32 or sensors, so we will provide you the links where you can get the hardware. Okay, and for projects you also need the one micro USB cable. Okay, so these are the requirements, and hope you understand the things. Okay, so all the best to you, all the students. Thank you.